The Supreme Court said today that the special international flights to repatriate Indians must have middle seats vacant from June the 6th. The top court said it was common sense as social distancing is important as a precaution against coronavirus. Middle seat bookings on the Air India flights will be allowed only till June the 6th, so it is permitted for the next 10 days. The government told the Supreme Court that the best practice is testing and quarantine, not seat difference, but the Supreme Court overruled this. The pilot of the ill-fated Pakistan International Airlines ignored 3 warnings from the air traffic controllers about the aircraft's altitude and speed before the landing. He said he was satisfied and would handle the situation, according to a report. The national flag carrier's PK-8303 crashed on Friday, killing 97 people. 2 people miraculously survived. Union Minister Renuka Singh was filmed threatening officers at a quarantine center in Chhattisgarh that she knows how to take people to a room and beat them with belts. Singh, a Minister of State for Tribal Affairs, had this outburst at the virus quarantine center at Balrampur, where she went after receiving complaints about poor facilities. The complainant, one Dilip Gupta, had uploaded the video on the internet, after which he was allegedly assaulted by local authorities. The total number of infections in India rose to 138,845 on Monday. Of these, 77,103 are active, while 57,720 patients have been discharged. The death toll stands at 4,021. India now has the 10th highest number of confirmed cases worldwide. Also, the Indian Council of Medical Research records show a steady rise in positivity rates over the last 4 weeks. This has largely happened when lockdown restrictions were eased and migrant workers started returning home. Domestic flights resumed at several airports across India this morning after 2 months. However, there was confusion and chaos at the airports in Delhi, Mumbai and some other cities as a large number of flights were cancelled and passengers complained that they did not get any notification from the airlines. 82 flights to and from Delhi have been cancelled. Earlier, flight schedules were made to West Bengal and Maharashtra, but these states will now resume flights from 28th May for West Bengal, and Maharashtra has limited flights to 25. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said now states seeking to employ migrant workers from Uttar Pradesh in the future will have to take his government's permission. Adityanath, addressing a webinar, said that the UP government will give the manpower social security if they wish to work in other states, but without our permission, our people cannot be taken by other states. He said he has taken this decision because of the kind of ill treatment that was meted out to UP residents. The India Meteorological Department on Sunday issued a red alert for heat wave in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Chandigarh and Rajasthan for the next 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday. It advised taking extreme care for vulnerable people including infants, elderly and people with chronic diseases. Hockey legend Balbir Singh Sr. died on Monday after his battle against multiple health issues for over 2 weeks. He was 96 years old. Sportspersons from all corners of the country flooded Twitter with heartfelt condolences on Balbir Singh Sr.'s death. Prime Minister Modi also tweeted a condolence message on his demise. Balbir Singh Sr. was a giant in his sport and the most decorated athlete in Indian sports history, with Olympic medals in 1948, 1952 and 1956 Summer Games.